Now this one's very interesting. We hardly ever get to see him.
Alright, let's select a winner. Tonight we're going to draw Mega Sableye. Of course, this Pokemon first got his first appearance on Pokemon Omega Ruby and Pokemon Alpha Sapphire. At first, I never would have imagined that Sableye would have a new form. The first time I saw Mega Sableye was on 2014. And to be honest, the first time I saw Sableye was on Genesect and the Legend Awakened. And, well, I thought that Sableye was a Unova region Pokemon, but turns out he was discovered in the Hoenn region. I thought he was a mythical Pokemon. Who would have guessed that Sableye would obtain another form? Alright, here's Sableye's eye. Now we draw the huge gem. Here's Mega Sableye's giant gem. He uses this as a shield. When this thing evolves, his defenses change. And there he is. His design is finally finished. That's how you draw Mega Sableye. To find out more on how to... which Mega Evolved Pokemon do you guys want me to draw next? To find out more on how to draw more Mega Evolved Pokemon, be sure to check out the Pokemon playlist, and be sure to like and rock and subscribe to my channel. And I'm always here, and I'm not going to stop until they're all complete. Stegosaurus, see you later. Good night.